Hello everyone and welcome back to Talk English Daily. My name is Sophie.
And I am James. So great to be back with all of you again today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Before we begin, if Talk English Daily is helping your English, please hit subscribe and give us a like. It really means the world to us. And leave a comment telling us about your day. We read every single one.
Today, we are talking about something we all do every single day, our daily routine.
A daily routine is everything you do from morning until night. This is perfect for A1 beginners because we use very simple words and very common verbs. James, let us start with the morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning. My alarm goes off and I always want to press snooze. Press snooze means to push a button that gives you a few more minutes of sleep. Very tempting every morning.
6:30? Oh, James, that is so early. I wake up at 7. I am definitely not a morning person.
Not a morning person. That means you find it difficult to wake up early. Are you a morning person? Pause and think about it. The first thing I do after I wake up is make coffee. In America, coffee is very important in the morning. I cannot function without it.
Function. That means to work normally. I cannot function without my morning tea. In England, tea is everything. Very British of me, I know.
After coffee, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Brush my teeth means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. A very important habit every single morning.
And I have a shower first thing. A shower means standing under warm, running water to wash your body. I always feel so much better after a shower.
Then I get dressed. In America, I usually wear comfortable clothes because I work from home most days. Work from home means your office is inside your house.
I get dressed in smart clothes because I work in a design studio in central London. Smart means neat and professional looking.
Then I have breakfast. I usually have eggs and coffee. In America, eggs are very popular for breakfast. Fried eggs or scrambled eggs or an omelette.
I have toast and a big cup of tea. Toast means bread that is cooked until it is warm and crispy. Very simple, very British, very delicious. Now, James, how do you get to work?
I drive to work on the days I go to the office. In America, most people drive everywhere. We love our cars. How about you, Sophie?
Drive? In London, almost nobody drives. The traffic is absolutely terrible. I take the underground. We call it the tube. It is a train that goes under the ground. Very fast and very convenient, but very busy in the morning.
Packed means completely full of people with no space at all. In my car, I can at least listen to a podcast. A podcast is an audio program you listen to on your phone.
At work, I start at 9 o'clock. I am a graphic designer, so I work on my computer all day. First, I check my emails. Check emails means to look at and read the messages people have sent you.
I answer emails in the morning too. Answer emails means to reply to messages in your inbox. Then I have meetings with my team. A team is a group of people who work together.
I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually go out to a small cafe near my office. Go out means to leave your building and go somewhere nearby. I have a sandwich or a salad most days.
I have lunch at 12:30. I usually eat at my desk. At my desk means sitting at your work table. I often have leftovers from the night before. Leftovers means food that was cooked before and saved for later.
I finish work at 5:30. Then I take the tube home. When I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes. Take off means to remove something from your body.
That is so British, Sophie. Taking shoes off at the door. In America, we sometimes keep our shoes on inside. So different.
Very different. We always take our shoes off at the door in England. Always. Then I make a cup of tea and sit on the sofa and relax. Relax means to rest and do nothing stressful.
When I get home, I go to the gym first. The gym is a place where you go to exercise. Exercise means to move your body to stay fit and healthy. Then I come home, have a shower, and cook dinner.
I cook dinner too. Last night I made pasta with vegetables. Make means to cook or prepare food. Very simple after a long day at work.
I made chicken and rice last night. After dinner, I like to go for a walk around the neighborhood. A neighborhood is the area of streets and places near where you live.
Oh, how lovely. I sometimes walk in the park near my flat after dinner too. In British English, we say flat. In American English, you say apartment. Same thing, different word.
Another British versus American difference. Flat and apartment. I love it. In the evening, I usually watch something on television or call my family. Call means to speak to someone on the telephone.
In the evening, I read a book or watch something on television. Reading helps me wind down. Wind down means to slowly relax at the end of your day.
Wind down. What a great phrase. I wind down by watching a film too. What time do you go to bed, Sophie?
I go to bed at 10:30. I need 8 hours of sleep to feel good. 8 hours is my magic number.
I go to bed at about 11. Before bed, I always brush my teeth again and put my phone away. Put away means to stop using something and leave it somewhere. Screens before bed are not good for sleep.
Now let us review all the phrases we used today. Listen carefully and try to repeat after us.
Wake up. I wake up at 6:30.
I wake up at 7.
Make coffee. I make coffee first thing.
Have a shower. I have a shower every morning.
Brush teeth. I brush my teeth every morning.
Get dressed. I get dressed after my shower.
Drive to work. I drive to the office.
Take the tube. I take the tube to work.
Have lunch. I have lunch at 12:30.
Have lunch. I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Go to the gym. I go to the gym after work.
Cook dinner. I cook dinner every evening.
Go for a walk. I go for a walk after dinner.
Wind down. I wind down by reading a book.
Go to bed. I go to bed at 11.
Go to bed. I go to bed at 10:30. Now think about your daily routine. What time do you wake up? How do you get to work? What do you do in the evening? Pause this video right now and say 3 sentences about your day in English. You can do this.
And remember, do not worry about being perfect. Just try. Every single attempt makes your English better. Be patient with yourself. You are doing amazingly well.
Thank you so much for learning with us today on Talk English Daily. Please subscribe so you never miss a new episode. And share this with one friend who is also learning English.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up? We love reading your comments. Until next time, keep practicing your English. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time at Talk English Daily. Keep learning and keep practicing. You are doing brilliantly.